Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss about the difference between a CISC and a RISC. This concept is very important for the students who are preparing for the university exams and also for the placements and also for the GATE exam. And after this discussion about the RISC and CISC difference, then I will discuss about one of the GATE question which came in the year 2018 on RISC. First, let me discuss about the difference between CISC and a RISC. Now, what is the meaning of a CISC? CISC can be represented or can be explained as complex instruction set computer, whereas RISC is reduced instruction set computer. So this is very complex instruction set computer and it is reduced instruction. So which computer we are using now? We are using the reduced instruction set computer. So first let me discuss about the difference. It uses the variable length instruction, whereas this one uses the fixed length instruction. Now remember one thing, what is the instruction will consist of? Instruction will consist of the instruction mode, the opcode and the operands. So here it uses the variable length instructions. However, a RISC computer always uses the fixed length instruction, means the size of the each instruction will be same. And it uses the memory operations. However, it can perform by using the load and store architecture with the help of register to register data transfers and arithmetic operations. And then it uses the complex instructions. With the name itself, it is clear that it uses the complex instructions, whereas RISC uses the simple instructions, means not very complex. And for each instruction, it may take multiple clocks. To execute one instruction in CISC, it takes multiple clocks. However, using a single clock, we can execute in one instruction in RISC. Okay, and it consists of large number of instructions and it consists of relatively few instructions. And then it has more addressing modes. However, with less addressing modes, we can perform the instructions. It uses the microprogrammed control unit. It uses the hardware control unit. It talks in terms of what control unit you are using. The control unit can be designed using microprogrammed control unit and you can design using the hardware control unit. Then you can ask me, what is the microprogrammed control unit? The control unit which was designed with the help of programs, that control unit we will call it as a microprogrammed control unit. The control unit which is designed with the help of an hardware, that control unit we will call it as a hardware control unit. So I can say that this is the hardware one and it is everything is in terms of programs. For everything we will write the programs here. So I hope you have understood the difference between a CISC and the RISC. Now let me discuss one of the GATE question which came in the year 2018. First let me read out the question. Which of the characteristics of RISC processor? Okay, if you have a computer of reduced instruction set with the processor, then what are the characteristics it is having, they were asking. One is register to register arithmetic operations. Then the given fixed length instruction format, hardware control unit. Now if you see that just now we have discussed that RISC uses the register to register arithmetic operations and even it uses the fixed length, whereas CISC will uses the variable length. So this is also correct. Hardware control unit, yes. The RISC processor will use the hardware control unit, whereas CISC uses the microprogrammed control unit. So the answer is 1, 2, 3. Whereas option A is saying 1 and 2, it is wrong. Option B is saying 2 and 3, it is also wrong. Option C is saying 1 and 2 only. Whereas option D is saying that all of the above. So option D is the right answer for this question. So I hope you have understood how I solve this question. So this is very simple question. If you know the difference between RISC and CISC, you can easily answer this question. I hope you have understood the difference between RISC and CISC and the GATE 2018 question. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. And some people are feeling shy to ask the doubts in the comment section, and they want to ask the doubts, or maybe you have a very lengthy question, you are not comfort to write it in the comment section, then you can send an email to parnikatutorials@gmail.com. I will give the email address in the description section. You can check it. And some students or some friends are asking me, sir, can you please provide the notes? If you want the notes, I have told what you have to do in the description section. I request everyone to read the description section and do the needful. If you really like my videos, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. If my videos are boring, please share them with your enemies. So don't stop sharing my videos. Share either with your friends or share with your enemies. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.